Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you this Valentine's Day makeup look. This one's super easy, really fun. Honestly, if I made the hearts just a little bit smaller, I mean, even like this, I'd wear this out. I think it came out really cute. This is inspired by Libra Rising, the reading for this Valentine's Day. If you want to hear it, make sure to tune into my Instagram. Without further ado, let's get into it. That's it for this makeup, you guys. I think I did this pretty quickly. I mean, if I didn't have to film all of these different things that I'm doing for you, I probably could have gotten this done in about 20-30 minutes. It's just the little tedious part is just a little heart on the eyes, but other than that, there's really not much eyeshadow. Just a little bronzer, a little glitter, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you soon.